Hello, hello. How are you guys? I am going to be going through my collections, my organization, and today we are going over my nail cart. Basically, I keep this next to my vanity hidden in the corner, and this is a little nail cart from Michaels. It has little wheels on it and does have little stoppers. So from time to time when I do my nails, I just pull this whole thing out, do my nails probably in the dining room, and then bring it back. Here on the top, I put this little plastic bin for the stuff that didn't fit in here and more the stuff that I use more frequently or reach for. Back here, I have just, what are these called? Like lint-free wipes. I have these foils for taking off nails, but to be honest, I don't really care for these. I'm just trying to use them up. I have the Onyx Soak Off alcohol, because if you do gel nails you need alcohol. These are both swipes to just clean off excess oils from your natural nails. These are the Beetles nail art design brushes. I use these either to draw stuff or to clean the edges when I'm doing my gel nails. I have this little container. I got this container off of Temu, and I literally just put the most of the nail files that I'm using or products that I use on every single time that I do my nails. So different brushes, nail glue. I have a, what is that called? Like a cuticle pusher. All of this is in my Amazon store under like the nail part. And then I have little gloves as well, and these gloves are to protect my hands from the UV light, and I wear them when I do my gel nails. I also just have a old makeup brush, especially to dust off my nails. This is new Beetles gel that I bought. This is like a nail glue for tips, a buffer, and these are all top coats and base coats and cuticle oils. I have different brands from Amazon, Young Nails, also my primer and dehydrator for my nails. In here, I have a little glass cup. This is to put a little bit of acetone and to really clean up those edges before curing the nail. And a lot of these are regular nail polishes. I don't really use a lot of regular nail polishes, and that's why this is just very minimal. And here I have my cuticle cutters, and basically in here I have just nail clippers. First drawer down is a file. So this is an e-file, and these are all the bits that I have for it. So these are different bits for different purposes, for cleaning edges, filing down, etc. And then this is to collect dust. It's very, very great. The only thing about this that's a little annoying is the noise it makes. Next, I have these clips. These clips are from Amazon, and this is to remove gel nails. I prefer this to the foil method. You basically just wet a cotton and then clip this on your nail to soak off your gels. And basically that is everything in the first drawer. The second drawer is my UV lamps. This has extensions in here. It has little ones that are for flash curing. So this, for example, is for flash curing. And so is this one that looks like a little tulip. That is when you put on like a Gel X method where you're going to put a tip on and you need to flash cure it beforehand. So I have those. And then I have this main one to really do a full cure of the gel. So those are for flash curing. This is for full curing of the nails, or if I'm just doing my regular gel with no tip as well, this is what I use. Third drawer down, this is tips that I have from Amazon. I have quite a few in my Amazon store. This is from Young Nails. This is if you're going to create gel nails from scratch, add on to the tips and do like a full nail. So these are in pots. To be honest, I don't really do this method anymore because it takes too much time and so much filing and shaping that I rather just do kind of like the over the tip, like the full tip method, or just full gel polish. And these are all colored polishes from different brands, Modelones, Beetles. I also have some from Nail Addict that they sent me for review purpose. I have some from Shein that they sent me as well, and some from Amazon. The fourth drawer down, we have basically what I use to decorate the nails. Over here, these two containers are glitters. These containers I got from Temu. And then these are from Amazon. These are different opal pigments or chrome pigments to put on top of the nail to give it a look. This is from Shein, if I'm not mistaken, but you can get these on Amazon, Temu. This is basically for glitter. You put your nail here on top, pour the glitter on top, and then you can scoop it. This comes out and you can scoop it back into the container so you don't waste so much product. I also have a little rock here. This is where if I have excess gel, I wipe against this, and this is easier to clean. And as you can see there, you can actually see some of the gel on there. It gravitates and like holds the gel better. So I wipe my brush on here instead of like a wipe. And then I have just a whole bunch of rhinestones, different little flowers, stones, and such to put on the nails. And then over here, these are all different stickers that I get from Amazon, AliExpress, Etsy, just all kinds of different ones. I love little cartoon characters, Hello Kitty, Disney ones. I just really love doing them. And then these ones from here, these little flowers that are like white, black, or different colors. This is a set from Amazon, and these are just for like everyday nails. Last drawer is basically extra supplies, extra files, blocks, and what I call like my easy nails. Basically, I have a lot of the Dashing Diva. I buy them from time to time. I love their gloss. I actually have a set on right now. This is the Disney one. And I love these. These are so cute, easy to use, and they last me about 2 weeks. I also love their glaze. The glaze ones last even longer. I usually do a glaze set before I go on vacation because these are semi-cured, and then you cure them with the lamp, and they last like nobody's business. They're absolutely amazing. And then for press-ons, my go-to brand is Impress Nails or Kiss. Some of these were sent for review purpose, and I absolutely love doing these. If you guys haven't seen, I've done quite a few videos doing press-ons or different kind of nails here on my YouTube shorts or also on my social media. And that is how I store all my nail stuff. And this little cart, I don't know if I said it in the beginning of the video, this little cart is from Michaels. They put it on sale from time to time, and I bought it when it was on sale. It comes in clear like this, and then it also comes like rainbow, black. It comes in variations of colors. Anyways, I hope that this was helpful if you're looking to do a little DIY cart for yourself. If you love doing your own nails, then maybe this will be a good way of organizing and storing everything. Until next time, see you guys. Bye.